In this practice, you would create a new sheet set by example. Create new sheets in a sheet set and add views to sheets. In this task, let's get started to creating a new sheet set. Open the Sheet Set Manager if it's not already open. Close any sheet sets that might be open. In the Sheet Set Manager, expand the drop-down list and select New Sheet Set. In the Sheet Set Wizard, on the Begin page, select an example sheet set, if required, and click Next. On the Sheet Set Example page, select Manufacturing Imperial Sheet Set and click Next. In the Sheet Set Detail page, name the new sheet set Yoke Assembly and add a description. Store the sheet set data file in the Sheet Sets, Project, Yoke Assembly folder in the Practice File folder. Use the Browse to locate the folder. Click Sheet Set Properties. In the Sheet Set area, click the Model View Edit Box browser to open the Model View dialog box. In the Model View dialog box, click Add and set the Model View location to Sheet Sets, Projects, Yoke Assembly, Resource Drawings in the Practice File folder. Click OK. In the Sheet Creation area, set the sheet storage location to Sheet Sets, Projects, Yoke Assembly, Sheets in the Practice File folder. New files created for sheets in this set are saved here. In the Sheet Creation area, set the Sheet Creation template to the template SS-MECH-C-sized in the Sheet Sets Templates in the Practice File folder. New sheets in this set are based on this template. In the Sheet Set Custom Properties area, set the job name to Yoke Assembly. Type a value for job number, such as ABC-14_24, and type your name as the owner. Click OK to close the Sheet Set Properties dialog box and click Next to continue. Review the information in the Confirm page and click Finish. The new sheet set displays in the Sheet Set Manager. The Sheet Set List tab currently displays subset categories but does not contain any sheets. Do not close the sheet set. In this task, you would create new sheet sets in the sheet set. If a drawing is not open, start a new drawing based on the default template. Right-click on the subset Subassembly and select Remove Subset. It is not required in this sheet set. Right-click on the subset Top Level Assembly and select Properties. In the Subset Properties dialog box, change the Sheet Creation template to SS-MECH-C-sized in the Sheet Set Templates in the Practice File folder. Once set, in the Subset Properties dialog box, click OK. New sheets in the subset are based on this template. Repeat step 3 for the subset part sheets. Right-click on the subset Top Level Assembly, select New Sheet, and set the following. Number, let's place 1. Sheet title, Yoke Assembly. Click OK to create the sheet. Right-click on the subset Part Sheets, select New Sheet, and set the following. Number 2, the number 2, and sheet title to Yoke. Click OK to create the sheet. In the part sheets, create 3 new sheets numbered and titled. 3-collar, 4-nut, 5-base. The Sheet Set Manager displays all of the sheets. Double-click on each new sheet to open the file and save each of the sheet files. Note the title block information. Views are not yet displayed on the sheets. In this task, you will add views to sheets. In the Sheet List tab, double-click on the sheet 1-Yoke Assembly to open it. In the Sheet Set Manager, switch to the Model Views tab. You should already have a location for sheet sets, projects, yoke assembly, resource drawings in the practice file folder. Review the location, and if it is not set, add it. Expand this location. Click the plus symbol next to it and find the YA-assembly drawing. Expand the YA-assembly drawing. Note that the view name ISO exploded has already been defined in this drawing. Drag the ISO exploded view onto the one yoke assembly layout sheet. Do not click. A preview of the view and tulip displays at the cursor. Note that the view scale is set to 1:2, which needs to be changed to 1:1. With the preview attached to the cursor in the viewport, right-click and set the scale to 1:1. Note the bigger preview of the cursor. Pick a point to place the view in the layout. Save the one yoke assembly sheet file. In the Sheet Set Manager, switch back to the Sheet List tab. Double-click on the sheet 2-yoke to open it. In the Sheet Set Manager, switch to the Model Views tab and find and expand YA-yoke drawing to display its views. 4 views should be listed. Drag the front view to the 2-yoke layout sheet and pick a point to place it in the lower left portion of the layout. Repeat this to place the other 3 views on the sheet. Switch back to the Sheet List tab and open the sheet 3-collar. Switch to the Model View tab and add the appropriate views to the sheet from the drawing YA-collar. Repeat the process to add the views to the other 2-part sheets from the corresponding model views. Save and close all of the drawings. Close the yoke assembly sheet set.